Yes, 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 we are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben and I'm in the house. Okay. Welcome to my channel. What I do over here is I just basically focus on the charts. To me, the news is just a distraction. And other stuff is the distraction. And I only just focus on the news because the news is pretty much the numbers, and the numbers don't lie. So if you want to just learn how to read the charts, make money from just certain patterns that you see happen over and over and over on the charts, definitely subscribe to this channel. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Big Ben. I am a professional day trader, professional swing trader. I day trade the financial markets Monday through Friday, and I also swing trade crypto. So definitely hit that subscribe button if you want to learn more about that. All right. Shout out to everybody that's here coming through. And also, if you are watching a replay, you can definitely speed up the time. Go to 1.5 or actually go 1.5 or 2, and you can actually speed up the replay. So shout out to everybody that's watching that replay. Shout out to you guys. So we're going to talk about the Bitcoin chart. We're going to talk about what's going on in the markets. Hopefully I make this quick. But shout out to everybody that's here. Okay. Of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. Okay. So let me give you guys a round of applause before I get started. Let me give you guys a round of applause before I get started. Shout out to everybody that's here. Okay. So let's see who's in the building so far. What's going on, Rufus? What's going on, Mr. 66? What's going on? Who else is here? Antoine, Dom. What's going on, Indranil? Eric. What's going on, Alien and Travis? What's going on, guys? Giorgio. All right. So what's going on in the market? Basically, I hope you guys weekend. I hope your weekend, or your holiday weekend was good. Really wasn't me personally. I wasn't really following the markets like that. I was glancing at it, but really nothing's going on right now. Let me refresh this. So we are looking at. Hold on, guys. Let me turn off this. What do you call that? This Discord room, because I'm hearing it in the background. Let me see. Okay, so basically, what's going on is the same old story, guys. The same old story. The dominance is still high. Okay, it's still high. It's still at 53. The volume is still low. We are creeping up on the charts, and it looks like it's trying to probably hit maybe 75 level. Okay, and we go from there, but it don't have to hit the 75. It can actually go down right here. We are definitely at a key level, which is this trend line. So we will see. Okay, we will see. So shout out to everybody that's here. If you have any questions, let me know. Definitely, if you have any questions, let me know, guys. Giorgio said, "Good money with this is a bull." Giorgio, I don't know what that means. You said with this lit bull. All right. Shout out to TJ Digital. What's going on? Yeah. So overall, guys, basically, what's going on is the market is going up. Okay, is retracing. Okay, we had a huge sell-off right here, and it's going back up to retrace, take out some stops, and once the market hit a key level, that's when we can actually see what the market is made of. Okay, right now it really didn't hit a key level, The red day that we had was right here. We had this red day right here, which was a weak red day. So I'm looking for a much stronger red day, telling me that the sellers are in the market. We didn't get that yet, so we just gotta wait. We might get it soon. So because overall, we go to the 4 hour. This up move, it still looks weak. The way it's going up, it just looks weak. We are consolidating right here, which is is whatever. We are consolidating right here. Let's see if they can break this high enough. Maybe to the 75. Might go to 76. We'll see. But I want to see that level where the sellers is going to come in. Definitely waiting for that level. Okay. And if you have any questions, if you're new to the channel, have any questions, let me know. Shout out to everybody that's here. Like I said, I hope you guys had a good weekend. Definitely hope you guys had a good weekend. I had actually a good weekend. I was chilling with family. I had a baby dedication for the daughter, so I had a decent weekend. But overall, I hope you guys had a good weekend. Let's see. Let's see if I see any questions in the chat. Shout out to everybody that's here. Let's see. Yeah, same here, Rufus. Good to see you here. Dom said my internet sucks. How come, Dom? Dom said roll over, roll over. Yeah, man, I hear you. Yeah, just gotta wait for the sellers, man. Let me see. Ka-ching, yeah. It's probably gonna come. The sell-off is probably gonna come when we least expect it, right? Probably one day we wake up and then next thing you know we see a crazy red bar. But the buyers is definitely gonna they're gonna get tired. Okay, the buyers is gonna get tired because let's be honest, guys. We are still in a bear market. Okay, we are still in a bear market, and this whole up move to me, it looks weak. Just looks weak. Okay, like I said before, they are reaching and going to a certain level. Okay, when you see the market doing this, just going to a certain level. Okay, certain level. I think that level could be either around here or 75, 76, but we will see. We will see, guys. Definitely, we will see. The dominance tells it all. Okay, the dominance tells it all that the market is still weak. Okay, if the market wasn't weak, we would see the dominance drop. We would see these altcoins go crazy. We would see, Bitcoin dominance go down, but we don't see that at all. So this is why me personally, guys, I love to look at the numbers. This is why I don't you have a lot of YouTubers, they get hyped because they see price go up, or they get hyped because some crazy news or whatever the case is. I just like to look at the numbers. The numbers tell it all. Okay, if we go back, if we actually go to the volume, right? Let's look at, and if anybody, because a lot of people is calling this a bottom, and I heard one guy saying that this is it, guys. I think we can turn bullish from here. But let's go back to when this whole thing started. It started in like the 9th, August 9th. So let's go. Let's see if I can look up that August 9th volume. Okay, look at it. 4 billion, 4 billion, 4 billion, 5 billion, 4 billion, 5 billion, 4, 4, 4, 3, 3, 3. So you have to understand, guys, when the big dogs buy, right? When they buy a bottom or sell a top, the volume increase. Okay, the volume increase a lot. So this tells me, this is why, like I said before, this is why I love looking at the numbers. This tells me that this is suspect. Okay, it's just another suspect retracement, pullback, whatever you want to call it. Okay, and I don't want you guys to get caught out and get caught up with this, thinking that this is a bull run. But shout out to you guys, man. Thanks a lot for coming by. I'm gonna try to make this a quick stream. Shout out to you guys. If you have any questions, let me know. If any of you guys have any questions, let me know. But I don't want you guys to get caught up in thinking that this is a bull run, because these YouTubers love to scream, going to the moon. We going to the, you know, we bullish. We going to 10K, whatever the case is, because that's all they know. Okay. So let's go to the chat room. Let's see if I see anything here. Let me see. Dom said, when you use your fib tool, do you form the high to the low or the low to the high? Well, if it's going down, you go basically, you could do the high to the low, I believe. Okay. Yeah, so if the market is going down, I do the high to the low. If it's going up, vice versa. But yeah, guys, shout out to everybody that's here. If you have any questions, let me know. Okay, so let's look at some more coins right now. Let's check out Litecoin. Okay, Litecoin. Just going up a little bit. All right. Let's look at TRX. And like I said before, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. If you feel like this is it, this is the bottom, this is the bull run, and we're going up to 20K, 30K, whatever you think, whatever K you think it is. If you believe this is it, let me know and state your reasons why. Okay, state your reason why. Ethereum. Oh shoot. Guys, is this right? Because I haven't really, like I said, guys, I really didn't pay attention to I haven't really paid really didn't look at any. Okay, so maybe that was just cracking. Okay, I don't know. You saw that wick, guys? That's crazy. It was a big wick right here. What's going on with that? Let's go to 4 hour. Let's see if we see anything. Yeah, what's going on with this big wick? That's crazy. Anyway, so Ethereum looks weak. Ethereum definitely looks weak. Actually, Ethereum looks weaker than any other crypto, right? Look at Ethereum. It looks mad, like it looks so weak, guys. Like this thing doesn't even want to go up. I mean, overall, guys, let's keep it 100. We are still in the bull market. I just hate to see people lose their money and thinking that this is the bottom. Okay, if you look at Ethereum is telling it all. Ethereum is basically telling it all. It's so weak. Ethereum didn't really break out yet. Let me see here. ADA, really nothing going on. ETC. So I think, you know, maybe they waiting. I don't know if they're waiting for the end of the September or the middle of September. I don't know when they waiting to, you know, but this could be, you know, before we even, if we go back to the lows, before we even go back to the lows, it might not even be this month because we're so far away from the lows. Okay, it might just be another slow grind, you know, slow grind down maybe all the way to September to October. Okay, they're really trying to defend this support level right here. They're really trying to defend that level. So like I said, I don't know how long they're trying to defend that level, but I can tell you this much, you know, according to the numbers, according to the charts, according to Bitcoin dominance, according to the volume, this is not real buying at all from the big dogs. So, you know, me personally, I don't trust this market at all when it comes to being bullish. Okay, I definitely do not want to get caught up. So, you know, at the end of the day, it is what it is. Whatever you want to do. Didn't see, you say you didn't see it on Bitfinex? Yeah. Yeah, I just checked TRX. TRX is you know, nothing special with TRX right now. You know. Shout out to everybody that's here, man. Let me give you guys another round of applause. Like I said before, guys, if you are new to the channel, welcome. If you have any questions, let me know. I've been doing this for 11 years, okay? So let me know. Yeah, so TRX basically, you know, nothing really going on with TRX. It's struggling right here. We have like a little double top right here up top. So it could actually roll over, okay? It could roll over at any moment, but we'll see. We will see. But Bitcoin is definitely fighting. Bitcoin is definitely fighting. I definitely could give that, you know, give Bitcoin props. It's fighting. I remember listening to a YouTuber said if it passed 7,500, he's buying and he think it's bullish. So that could be a key level right there. That 7,500 could be a key level, because if he's thinking like that, then I'm quite sure a lot of other YouTubers are thinking like that, and people in general is probably thinking like that. So that 7,500, it could be a key level of resistance where they just go up to 75, maybe touch the 76 level, and, you know, slam it right back down. So, you know, that's what I'm thinking. Because, I mean, if someone is thinking bullish right now in this current market, then, you know, honestly, I don't know why, you know. Like I said, if you are here in this channel and you think that this is it, this is the bullish, this is the bull run, we're going back to 20K, let me know. Because like I said before, I don't really, you know, I don't really know why people, you know, basically get hype when in the past Bitcoin let us down so many times. Okay, in January, right, when Bitcoin was going down, YouTubers said, hey man, it's just the beginning of the year, you know, don't worry, things will pick back up. And then it kept going down. They said, oh, don't worry about it, Chinese New Year's. Then it kept going down. Oh, don't worry about it, people waiting to get their taxes. And then, you know, kept going down. And then they say, okay, the SEC meeting, right? And then it started going back up. Yay, guys, this is it. This is the bottom. We're going back up, and then drop right back down. Okay, we had the consistency, and then what else we had? We had a lot of other stuff. And you know, every single rally went up and then went right back down. So I just don't get why all of a sudden people will think that this rally is different from these other rallies. I just don't get it. How come, or why? You know, tell me why. What's the difference between this one and these other ones? Honestly, the other ones are actually more bullish than this one alone. I mean, look at the volume in these bars on these other pullbacks. Okay, look at this choppiness. You know, we're going up very choppy. Okay, but look at these other ones. This is very like real, you know, like nice size candles. So to me, that was more bullish than this move that we are having right now. So I just don't get why people, you know, I just don't get it. Why you just can't, you know, why you just can't basically take it easy and wait until Bitcoin hit a certain level. MK Kush says short squeeze. Yeah, you know, short squeeze, all that crap. David said hacks like crazy. Yeah, all kind of stuff. What's going on, Jay Miller? Let me see who else is in the building. Who else? Andrew, what's going on? Mixed XRP, what's going on? Who else? 45, what's going on, 45? Davina Perry, what's going on? Okay, Mr. Butt plug. Mr. Butt, are you new to the channel? I don't know what's going on. Are you new to the channel? I'm just gonna call you Mr. B because I honestly I can't continue to call you, you know, Mr. Butt. I can't continue to call you that. Let me see. Dom says, guys, I bought a printer that prints Tether. Let me see here. Carlos said bullish, not even close. Exactly. Shout out to you said you're stinky. Yeah, I hear you, man. What's going on though, Mr. B? Danny said, what do you think about October crash covered by some other YouTubers? So can you explain? Because I honestly I really didn't go on YouTube this weekend. So can you explain to me about the October crash? Why they think that And are we talking about the stock market or are we talking about the crypto market? Okay. Are we talking about the stock or the crypto market? All right, I'm reading these questions here. So if you are new to the channel, if you have any questions, let me know. Like I said before, let me know. I've been doing this for 11 years. Okay. Frey said, check out the 200 EMA on the daily. I'm waiting until we pass the 200 EMA. Okay, so you said you're waiting until we pass the 200. Okay, so when we pass it, Frey, okay, when we pass it, what does that mean? That's what I'm trying to figure out. You said you waiting until it passed the 200. So when it passes, what are you gonna do? Let me know. Travis says bull news has gone down. Yeah. Yeah, it went down. But guys, I'm here to tell you that it doesn't matter what news come out, okay? Guys, you have to understand, bullish news in a bear market, right? Doesn't mean anything. The same way in a bull market, right? In 2017, you know how many crazy bad news came out in 2017, and the market just kept going up. So you have to understand, okay, the same way in a bull market, bad news don't matter, right? It's vice versa in the bear market. Bullish news don't matter at all. Okay, this is why I don't care about the news. Put it like this, guys. Good news is not going to turn around the market. It's not. The same way bad news didn't turn around this bull market last year. Bad news didn't turn around. Okay, we all of a sudden we topped out, and next thing you know, this thing was going down. It wasn't really no bad news. Okay, so you have to understand that this game is not obvious. This is why, I just shake my head when I see people say, we about to go bullish, or if we go above 75, we bullish. Okay. I shake my head because it's not that obvious, or it's not that easy. Let me see here. What's going on, Leslie Savage? Oh, okay. Well, Danny, I didn't hear the October crash, so I don't know. But honestly, I'm here to tell you that we don't know. We can't tell what month things is going to crash. Okay, we can't tell. So I'm not one of those guys that will tell you, hey man, this month is the month where for sure the market is going to crash. Now, always say, it's a possibility. Okay, like for example, this month right here, it's a possibility where we could sell off, but it doesn't mean that we're going to crash and go to the bottom. Actually, it might take another month or so. We don't know. Okay, the way they prop this up, it looks like it could take another month to go down. Okay, so if it wants to go back down, we probably won't see the lows until maybe October, or or whenever. So we'll see. Let me see here. What's going on, Leslie Savage? What's going on, G Slick? But my bros, CNBC Bullish. So CNBC is bullish. So you probably that probably means the market's going down. That's funny. Yeah, you're right about that. So Frey said, when we pass the 200 moving average on a daily, I feel more comfortable going long. Okay. Well, you know, if you want to go long when it past the 200, that's on you. That's on you. You know, I don't really tell nobody not to do anything. So if you feel like if it's bullish when we pass that 200, then hey. But me personally, I'm not buying anything. You know, I believe we're still in a bear market, and I believe we're going to be in a bear market pretty much for the whole year. So it is what it is. Let me see if I see any more questions here. Okay, let me see. Shout out to everybody that's here, though. Thanks a lot for coming by tonight. Somebody said Litecoin. Litecoin. Not really not going on with Litecoin. Basically, it's popping up. It's popping up. So we just have to wait. Like, honestly, guys, I don't get. I really. I've been doing this for so long. I don't get hyped off of pullbacks like this, because that's all it is. It's just a pullback. I don't get hyped off of that. Okay, I know some people do. You know, I mean, it's just a regular pullback in a bear market. Okay, this is just pullbacks, guys. That's all it is. Okay, pullbacks until the market shows me something else. That's all it is. It's just a pullback. Okay, so me personally, I just don't get hyped. It's just, I just don't do that. Let's see here. What's going on, Matt? Travis said, "Gotta go to sleep. See you all next time." Hey, shout out to Travis, man. Thanks a lot for coming through. Make sure you study. Okay, let me read some more questions here. Let me see. What's going on, DB? So I'm reading these questions, guys. So give me a second. And if you have a questions, let me know. You said, Ben, isn't that a massive big flag on BTC? Yeah, pretty much. You know, pretty much. Like I said before, BTC is definitely forming a flag. Okay, you can see it better with the 4-hour. Okay, this is a crazy big flag, but overall, you know, it wants to go. It wants to go. You have to understand how the market works. It wants to go to a certain level before it sells off. Okay. So, as for, you know, when you're a trader and you're looking for these short-term swings, you know, the best thing you can do is look at certain levels. Okay. So, our first level that we had was the 68 level, and it reacted good to that level. Okay. You saw that, right? It reacted nice to this level and went down. Okay. It went nice down. Then it came back to the level, popped up, and then it went back to that 7,000 level and went back down. Okay. So, you know, we could have basically took a quick shorts off these levels. Okay. We honestly, you could have still made money on this uptrend. Okay, so, and I'm quite sure, because I know a lot of people, you know, when I came on my live stream, people told me that they made money. So I know some people made money, but you could have still made money from this up move with Bitcoin. Okay, because when it hit these key levels, it pulled back. Okay, so it pulled back that 68. It pulled back this nice little signal right here on 4-hour on BTC when it passed that 7,000 level. Okay, so now we just trended up right here, just trending up, and we're waiting for another key level. So 74, maybe 70. I don't know if they want to go to 75, but we'll see. Okay, so we have to wait until that level, that, you know, the level that they want to hit, because they always, the market always want to go to a key level. Okay, so right now is 75 to me is definitely a lot of resistance, So we just gotta wait for those sellers to come in, because you know, eventually your sellers will come in. Man, we got to see, you know, how far this thing will go. Let me see here. Let me see. Like I said, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Let me see here. Craig said, just arrived. No way you are bullish. Clickbait title. Well, it's not a clickbait title. I just said super huge Bitcoin bullish move coming. Okay, look at the question marks at the end. Look at the question marks at the end. So Craig, no, I'm not bullish. Just look at the question marks. Okay. Carlos said, I don't see anything happening until next year. I'm just buying coins on a discount. So shout out to Carlos. At least he's honest with himself, and said that he don't see anything happening until next year. So that's good that you are honest. Okay. Danny said, thank you for your honest opinion. Okay. Yeah, it is too much speculation. Honestly, I don't really care about the Riddler stuff. Okay, I just want to focus on the charts, focus on the numbers, and that's it. I don't want to get distracted with news or these crazy YouTubers. Shout out to Keith. I haven't really, you know, was he on my live stream? But shout out to Keith. Let me see. Let me read some more questions here. Eric said, do you think towards the end of 2000 we will see more volume due to tax invasion around the globe? I don't know. It's hard to say. What you want to know about leverage and margins? Because I don't use BitMEX, but I don't know what you want to know about that. XRP. Yeah, XRP. Well, XRP, shout out to XRP. It looks like it's forming some type of triangle right here. Maybe to go down to the downside. I don't know. XRP actually looks weak. XRP definitely looks weak. But I mean, honestly, guys, it has some resistance right here. I mean, heavy resistance. I mean, super heavy resistance. Okay. So basically, XRP okay, is in this crazy zone right here. Okay, it's in this crazy zone. So when we hit, what was this? Sheesh, around like 31 cents, 30 cents. It's been bouncing off this 30 cents level and going up to, let me see, 35, 30, yeah, 30, 35. So we have crazy resistance at 35 cents. And every time it hitting this level, it's just shooting back down. So XRP has to break either to the upside or the downside. And we will see. Okay. But right now, it has heavy resistance at this 35 level. I mean, heavy. So this is why I'm telling you guys, don't get fooled, because most people don't understand. They don't study history. They don't study the charts. They don't study anything. Okay, they just go by candles, right? They just say, "Oh my gosh, Bitcoin is going up. It's bullish." Okay, but they don't look at everything else. Look at these altcoins. I mean, some of these like Ethereum and XRP and a lot of these altcoins, they still look weak. Okay, and we had that scenario. We had that actually played out. We had that back over here when the market was going up. Remember, Bitcoin was going up and these altcoins was just basically looking weak. These altcoins was looking weak, but Bitcoin was just strong and holding its gains. And next thing you know, all the altcoins was just flopping down and going down. And this is what I'm looking at with the dominance. Okay, the dominance is still high. Okay, so that's telling me that the market overall is still weak. Okay, I really believe Bitcoin is a distraction right now, and the altcoins is basically telling you the real story. These altcoins are telling you the real story. Bitcoin is the big distraction. So, it is what it is. But XRP looks, it looks weak. It has a lot of resistance at that 35-cent level. Okay, it has to at least pass that level before doing anything. But heavy resistance at that level. Okay, so let me see if I see any more questions. Shout out to everybody that's here. Philip said, "I doubted you for a long time, but you were right and I was wrong. Thanks for the invaluable advice." So shout out to you, Philip. And can you explain a little bit more about about what you was talking about, like you was wrong about? Are you talking about the whole overall market as a bull market, or let me know. But shout out to you, man. Thanks a lot for stopping by. I appreciate that. Hey, what's going on? Scotty, Mr. Scotty, what's going on, man? Thanks a lot for stopping by too. All right, so if you're new to the channel, I'm reading these questions. If you're new to the channel, if you have any questions, let me know, guys. Let me know. I'm about to get off this live stream soon. If you don't have this course by now, you have to check it out. If you don't have this course by now, you have to check it out, because it will basically show you how to navigate through these markets. Okay, it will show you how to basically look at the market and basically make money like a professional, because I do this full time. So I'm just giving you my 11 years of knowledge, in this program, and you can take advantage of these swings in the market. Most people just don't understand you can actually take advantage of these swings. Okay, like I said when I was explaining before, you could have basically made money even when Bitcoin was going up at these key levels. You could have just made some money, you know, even when Bitcoin was going up. Even if you didn't take nothing on the long side, you could have actually made money on the short side too. So if you don't know how to make money both ways, which is the ultimate way to do, most people just all they know how to do is just buy and buy and buy and hold. That's it. If you don't know how to make money both ways, then you definitely should check this out. During the live stream, I give you guys a discount. So let me give you that discount. So the original price is $210. I can usually give you guys that $110 discount, and it's only on the live stream. So when I get off this live stream, which I'm probably gonna get off here soon, it's going right back to 210. So check that out. Okay, you could go look at the testimonials, look at the people that's making money from this course, and you know, you can see that this course is the real deal. You know, so if you have a job, don't worry about that. You can still make money with this because it's not about day trading, it's about swing trading. Okay, so shout out to everybody that's here. And once you get this course, basically you will get access to the Discord room where you can talk to me, my students. And if you do have that course already, and if you don't have that Discord room, email me proof that you got the course so I can send you that Discord link. So yeah, guys, you know, right now the volume is hey, what's going on, Michelle? Michelle is actually one of my students. What's going on, Michelle? The last stream that I was on, she said she was up 50%. That was, you know, since he bought the course. So shout out to you. What's going on, Crypto Games? What's going on, Bruno? So shout out to everybody that's here. Like I said before, man, if you have any questions, let me know. And let me give you guys a round of applause. Like I said, I hope you guys had a decent weekend. Hope you guys had a decent weekend. But overall, guys, we are waiting for that key level. It didn't hit that key level yet. Trust me, you will know. You will know when that key level hits. Okay? You will know. The sellers will come in. So the last bar that we had, the sellers came in, but it was a weak bar. Very weak. So you just got to be patient. If you're looking for some shorts, trust me, they will come, because they will come back for the people that went long. Okay? So you saw how it broke out right here. It came back to the breakout. It found support right here. So they will come back to either, you know, take out some stops. So let me read some questions here before I get out of here. When you lower your leverage, do you lose money or protect? I don't know what you mean by that. Do you lose money? That doesn't make sense, MK. Maybe I'm not reading it right. I don't know. So Bimmer Bro said by lowering your leverage initially, your initial cost to enter the position is smaller. Yeah. So whatever Bimmer Bro said, you can read that. Crypto Gain says, what's the key level? what's the key level at? Like I said before, it's you will know when the sellers come in. Okay, I don't know the key level right now. Okay, because we've been hitting key levels ever since we've been going up. We've been hitting key levels, but it been just bouncing right back up. So a key level was at 68. You see, we sold off. We sold off like crazy. Okay. And we bounced right back up. Key level was at 7,000. We sold off, but we bounced right back up. So I'm looking for at least 75, 76. And I'm looking for a level to hit and not bounce back up. Okay. I want the level to hit, sellers come in, but if buyers come back in, I want the buyers to struggle. Okay. Every time buyers came back in, at these key levels, they didn't struggle at all. Okay, they just came right back in and bought everything up and then made new highs. So, you just got to be patient. Let me see. Read any more questions here. Mr. Scotty said, I'm about to take you about to go to sleep. Seen you was live. What's up, studying? All right, man. Shout out to you. You got to go to bed. Mr. Scotty said, loving your course. Honesty. Man, thanks a lot, man. It put you in a right frame. That's what's up, man. I'm glad to hear that. Definitely glad to hear that. I'm doing good, Davina Perry. I hope your weekend was good. I'm reading these questions right now, so give me a second. What's going on, Exposed? Where you been at, Exposed? You been hiding, man? Sam said, what do you think about XRP? Do you think it's going to up, down, or upwards or down? It hasn't followed BTC. Yeah, well, it's like I said, it's hard to say what a coin is going to do. It's hard to say what a coin is going to do. Okay, but all I can say right now is it has resistance right here at that 35 level, 35 cents. A lot of resistance. Every time it's hitting this resistance level, we going down. Boom, 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 boom. 4 times rejection. 4 rejections. That's a lot of rejections. 4? That's a lot. So, XRP has to break above that level if they want to go higher. Okay, it has to break above this 35 level if they want to go higher. But shout out to you guys. I'm about to get out of here. Okay, like I said, if you have any questions, let me know. But I'm about to get out of here. I'm getting tired. NK Kush, you sure know how to make me feel dumb. What you talking about? What you talking about, NK Kush? What's going on, JA? He said, JA said, did you hear about the huge amount of BTC hit Binance and other exchange from supposed Silk Road wallet? Nah, I didn't hear about that. They predict a huge dump. What do you think about that? I don't know, man. It's very hard to, speculate and say what's going to go on based on a transaction. Yeah, it's very hard to but if it is gonna go down, right? If it is gonna go down, maybe it's not gonna go down right away. Okay, but maybe there's something to it. Maybe, you know, they are looking to sell, but maybe you won't see it until another week or two. It might not be right away. But honestly, I don't know. I don't know if I see Bitcoin going back to this 85 level, 84 level. I mean, anything is possible. Anything is possible. Okay. But I don't know if I see it actually going all the way back here. If it does, you know, definitely this is a resistance. A lot of resistance right here. You know, so like I said, we'll see. That 75 level probably be definitely some good resistance. I heard a YouTuber said he's looking to buy at 75 because he thinks that's when the market is going to turn bullish. So that could be a key level. Okay, if I hear a YouTuber saying that, then I'm quite sure a lot of people, other people, is thinking like that. So that could be that 75, 76 could be that key level. So I'm gonna watch and see what's going on if it goes to that level right there. Let me get out of here. Let me see if I see any more questions before I get out of here. Speak to your attorney about the tax. Let me see. Anyone getting Bitcoin candy at Walmart? Alright, guys. So shout out to you. Shout out to Michelle. Shout out to Expose. Oh, you say you just got back from Cancun, man. Shout out to you, man. That's good that you are enjoying your life. Enjoying, having on vacation, enjoying life. So that's what's up, man. But shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Thanks a lot for chilling out with me tonight. And I'll talk to you guys later. Shout out to, like I said, shout out to JA, everybody that's here, Crypto Gains, Exposed, Michelle, Davina Perry, MK Kush, everybody that's here, man. Shout out to all you guys, Dom, Travis, 45, Eric, everybody. So talk to you guys later. Like I said, if you don't have that, if you have the course by now, and if you don't have that Discord, email me proof about the Discord, and I'll give you that link. So talk to you guys later. Make sure you have a good night. Make sure you study. Practice, and keep it up. All right, guys. All right. Danny said, I heard coins on the market less than last year. Yeah. Yeah, no problem, Davina Perry. Okay. So shout out to everybody that's here. Okay, and I'm out of here, man. Enjoy the rest of your day. Keep on studying the charts. And don't let these other guys mess up your head. Just stay focused. And I'll talk to you guys later.